There it
The
goes.
title.
So, we need this, right? Who want
Yeah.
our face if they want a certificate? Okay, here we have Srikanta who cleared PMP recently, very recently. How many hours back, Srikanta?
7 hours.
7 hours back. You know what?
Yeah.
For some people, even they get certified, it takes 1 or 2 days to get the certificate. Yeah. So,
Oh,
so
okay.
they'll be eagerly waiting when I will see my certificate. Until they see the certificate, they have a doubt. Shriram, did I really clear the exam?
Yes, even I had that doubt.
Okay.
Even like I was sure like okay, congratulations has come, but still I had a doubt whether I had seen it or not, whether it is
I
clear.
saw your message. You said, Shriram, I got some congratulations, but you didn't say that I passed the exam. It shows that, man, I'm still doubtful. Okay, once again, good wishes from Sri Learning and team. And
Thank you.
I know you
Yeah.
came for the classes in June, July 2020, and
Yeah.
on the journey, I believe. And you made a good efforts. And I know it's not an easy effort. You have to put every
Yeah.
day consistently, right? That's what happened. Usually after the exam, that day people want to sleep a lot. Okay,
Oh, okay.
but you are totally opposite, totally awake. Sriram, let me talk about success. Right. Give some highlight about how happened for you, and primarily on the proctor exam, how things happened.
Okay, I'll begin with the course. Like I didn't know like much about the PMP. Only I knew that there is a certification, and in the company office email, I used to receive that someone has got PMP. So then I think I am introduced by Daneshwar. So we both took the classes in June, and then only after attending your first class, only I got to know that okay, it's not that as simple as it looks. So till then, I didn't know anything much about the this one PMP certification or whatever it is. So
Okay.
then I didn't start studying immediately after the first class. So whatever plans you have shared, I strictly followed that. Like the dates you have mentioned, like this should be covered by this time. So because I thought I'll give an exam in September end, so that was my target date. So followed the dates whatever you have shared, and by the end of September I was little confident. Then I took the prepcast exam. So in the first exam I got cleared, like 70% was the score I got in prepcast. So I was little confident, and then without doing anything, next week I took the second exam and then failed. Okay, so okay, next time I took third exam, then again failed. So then I contacted you like I'm getting consistently like 64, 65, and 70, and what should I do? So, and your suggestion worked really well. Like you told, like go through each questions, whatever the review thing is important. So
Hmm.
that I did completely for all the 600 questions, whatever I have done, whether it's
Wow.
correct or wrong. So I went through that each questions, and I analyzed like where I missed it.
How much
So
time it will take when you analyze for one exam?
uh, for one exam, I think 3 to 4 days it took.
When you
So
analyze,
50 to, yeah.
would you write some points in the paper? Do you have that habit?
Uh, like not all the points. So something like I
Something.
used to write, yeah, I missed it here. So this is the point I have to look back, and
Hmm.
so this process has
But
to
3 days
be
of
studied.
analysis, you will read and understand the question, and you backtrack to the book and also
Yeah,
see that. Okay,
yeah. So every day, like I used to review about 50 question, and then in the early morning, I used to read through those whatever topics I have missed it.
fantastic, good idea.
So,
Hmm.
and then I have given 4 5 exams, so that was all cleared. Like 75 76 I was getting.
Okay.
So I studied only the head first and Rita. So head first was very clear. Like I mean, if you are a beginner, then head first is the best book, I say. So you'll understand much easier. So then I gone through the Rita chapter by chapter, and whatever the domain you have taught in the class, like stakeholder communication, the same domain I followed. So after that, then I've like contacted you for the exam. So you told like you should go through 6 and 7. So then in the last minute, like Saturday and Sunday, I've taken 6 and 7. So sixth exam I got 75, and seventh one was again 68 or 69 something. So today morning, like still I wasn't confident like I'll clear. So the last minute,
It
it was
happens, Shrikant. It's
yeah.
not only you. Uh,
Mhm.
Everyone, when you go to the exam in the morning, will be like, will I, will I?
Okay, the Proctor exam was okay. I had taken the ID card, and I had set up everything. I have a broadband connection, and then I still kept the dongle ready. If there are any breakups, so I can connect. So
Do we need to show the ID card, or you have to take a picture and share?
there are both the options. So they send the link to mobile, or I can use the webcam. So I went with the webcam only.
So only when you send the ID card proof, then only the next stage will happen. I mean, the start of your test will happen.
No, the first step is you have to take the selfie of yours. So the next one will be showing your ID card. So passport means you have to show through the picture and your name, everything. So all
Okay.
the corners should be visible.
Right, right.
Yeah,
And they
and
check it,
then
then they give okay, then only next stage.
there wasn't like anything like OK button or nothing is there. So there is only thing you have to click next, and then take
Okay.
all the corners of the like wherever you are sitting, the front side, back side, and left and
Mm,
right
mm,
photos, and
mm.
then submit. So the first time I submitted, and I was waiting for the proctor to come online. So nobody has come. So it was about 7-8 minutes. So I wasn't like, okay, what's happening? Then suddenly the call came from the proctor saying that he is not seeing my video. So he told me to rejoin back. So then I disconnected, and then again I took the photo, everything, all then, and then joined it. So it was scheduled at 7. I started at 7:15.
Do you
15
have a
minutes
time
delayed.
loss when such thing happens? You have a time loss?
No, 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 nothing. The exam starts like countdown starts only when the first question appears.
Very
So,
good,
so
very
that
good,
was okay.
very good. Okay.
So, in between, I mean, there was no interruption from the proctor. So I was following like I was covering any this one and no lip movement. So as he told, so I
Okay.
was following that. So
Okay.
then after 89 question, there is a window for review your whatever answer
Hmm.
you have selected.
Hmm.
So I did that for. I had a 15 minutes. Lead. So I took that time for reviewing all the 89 question and then submitted. So
How do you know it's a
then
15 minutes lead? Because
sorry.
89 questions, you
Uh-huh.
can complete in 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, as you wish,
Yeah,
right? So
yeah.
how you decided you want to use 15 minutes for this 89 questions review? Or
No, like I had calculated like 89 question means it will be like 106 minutes or something. So back calculated from 240. So that is like
good.
I was seeing the screen. So when it started 150, I have completed all the 89 question.
Okay, okay. Hey, by
So
the way,
then I had.
when this
Mhm,
PMI application is running, can you
mhm.
see the clock in your computer? Computer clock is visible?
No, 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 nothing is visible.
All blank out.
All blank and only a white screen with the question and for flagging, and there is a whiteboard option. That's it.
If you press the Windows key, it will show your timer by any chance? Timing
Nothing.
timer.
I mean, nothing has worked in the keyboard. Only
All blocked out.
Alt 10 is for the next one. Alt P is for previous question. That's it.
That's it, huh? All blocked, huh?
That's it.
Shucks, man. Look like good work there. Why I ask this
Yeah.
question is many have this problem in PMI exam. The,
Mhm.
the clock runs by 240 minutes and 240, 238, two, it's one of the crappy stuff. I don't know who designed it. Right? I sometimes tell them have a clock in front of you in the wall or somewhere. At least
Yeah.
if you start by 7 o'clock, I know I should close by 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
See, it's a human nature. We know by 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. I don't
Yes.
know who's that brilliant fellow who kept it as 240 deducting down. In XML, will I solve the question or will I solve the timer problem?
Yeah, that's the problem. You have to back calculate and think if you don't have a clock.
Some happy guys. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
So then what happened? What happened in the exam?
So after reviewing whatever I have flagged for 89 question, then I have submitted. Then it asks for a like 10 minutes. Do you want to take a 10 minutes break or you want to continue? So you can choose whichever you want. So I took the 10 minutes break and then went out and come back. So after that it started. I mean the time is 10 minutes is extra. I
Yeah,
mean it's not included in 4 hours.
right,
So
right, right. Do you see the same proctor was there when you come second time?
yes, he told to use the same access code. I am not sure like whether it was the same guy or a different
You
person.
can't
So
see
he
them.
told
You
to,
can't see
yeah,
them.
yeah,
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Then what happened?
After going through the 111 questions, so whichever I have flagged, I have reviewed. By the time it was exhausted, like
Enough.
you know,
How much minutes you had finally after all the questions?
maybe 10 minutes. I think after reviewing also, I had 10 minutes.
Good, decent speed, man. You had a maintain a good speed. Okay. So what makes you to go good speed? Because many people are suffering because of speed problem. So what makes it
Okay.
go speed?
I didn't had any problem. I mean, even if I'm taking prep cash, so the main difference is prep cash questions are very big, and here the questions are compressed, only 1 or 2 lines. So you'll come to know like which process and what tools. So
Okay. Okay. Yeah, good subject
yeah,
understanding makes us speed good. Right.
yes, yeah.
That's pretty important. Fantastic.
And
Okay.
as you are telling, like whatever the keywords, so
Right.
that's the prime focus we should be doing.
Mm, mm, Understand. Got it. Superb. Lot of
Yeah.
inputs. And when you click the final button, you clicked it, it automatically went off after the time.
Yes, yeah, and there was a PMA logo behind, and down it was written congratulations and something.
So I'm
I
sure
tried copying that, but nothing worked.
you
I copied
should,
that, and I thought I'll paste in notepad or something, so
you should
nothing.
not copy. You should not take your mobile and click a picture. It is
Okay,
against. You shouldn't do that. Okay. Why people
okay.
some mistake they do that in a joy they do it. Actually, you shouldn't do that. But again, that is one of the thing which I keep telling to people. Congratulations,
Oh,
will be
okay.
little bit better, right?
Even still, we had that feeling, right? I mean, whether I've seen it or not, will it comes or not?
Okay, sounds pretty good. Great, man. Good job. And I know
Thank you. Yeah.
it's a memorable day, right, in your life.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
So, which domain
All
you work?
4 months effort.
Yeah, yeah. Which
Sorry.
domain you work? What is your role now? I mean,
I am into construction industry. Yeah.
okay, okay. So,
I do the like design stuff, not in the field. So we
understand,
sit in the office
understand.
and do the design. So
Mm-hmm. Do you see
the
relevance?
highway.
Do you see relevance of what you learn and what is happening in your profession?
Yes, like our company also follows whatever the PMI procedures are set out. So
Oh,
we also have a like something similar course in our company to like
oh,
a task manager course and other courses. So that I mean both are relate to each other. It's all based out of PMP exams.
okay, okay. So the
Yes,
terminology, the
yes,
language will be same almost when you're talking now.
yes, yes, yes. Everything is similar.
Cool. So from a Monday or tomorrow, you'll be walking just up. Man, I have the language. That's a good news. That's a
Yeah,
good news. Thanks a lot,
yeah.
Shrikant. A lot of inputs from you regarding books, practice exam, and the
Yes.
exam. I think you spoke elaborately.
Mm.
How was the math question you managed? In home, they don't give you paper pen to write. If that was it a difficulty without a paper pen, you were able to survive that exam.
No, I when I started with Prepcast, I started with the paint tools and calculator stuff. So I never used pen and paper. I was prepared for that.
Oh, okay, okay. So what tool you use for practice?
Means
I mean, how do you do the paint work? You mean you have any specific tool, any website you go?
no, the normal paint thing we get in our system.
There you
That's it.
right.
Yeah.
Ah, man, you learned such a skill now. But was it useful when you go there to real exam? Was it useful?
Yeah. You can easily like write and make out.
Ah, that's nice, interesting. Okay,
Yeah.
MS Paint is helping.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good, pretty good. How is it on agile side? You are from construction industry. Do they
Yeah.
test you in agile?
Yeah. Even I had that fear like if it agile comes, then gone. Only two questions had come, so I was safe.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know whether I clicked it correct or made it wrong. Only two questions, so no
I
issues.
know, man. I see until December 31st, only two questions.
Oh,
From
okay.
January to 100 questions. That's the
And
expectation.
as you told, like more questions from the execution vertical and integration chapter. So that was
Also
more.
came there. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Super. Great, Shrikanta. Thanks a lot for coming up here.
Mhm.
It's so nice to hear the person who cleared the exam on that day giving interview. The thoughts will be very fresh in your mind, right?
Yes.
And actually, you know what? After the exam, people be exhausted, want to sleep, but out of joy, you don't want to sleep.
Yeah, maybe true.
Tomorrow morning, without alarm, you'll wake up by 5 o'clock. Shriram, what to do next? Give me some more option.
Correct.
Right. See, the industry construction is the most respected industry in the world. Yeah,
Yeah.
because it has more complication in the name of
Yes.
mankind. So what you learned is one of the best certificate. Now you have to implement the ingredients of it. You cannot copy paste.
Yeah.
PMP is not for copy paste. You have to take the essence out of it and take a juice out of it and use it in your corporate. And
Yes.
good wishes from Sri Learning and team that you keep shining high and keeping growing,
Thank you.
gaining demand. Right?
Thank you. Yeah.
Cool, cool. One last line. Would you like to say anything for the people who are rushing towards December 31? Anything you want to give tips to them?
Yeah, just go ahead and finish because there is no agile. I'm only worried about that, nothing else. We
Okay.
know the terminology like whatever you say, cost variance or schedule variance. But if you
Right.
say Scrum and other thing, okay, that's not my topic.
You may not know Scrum Master, Team Master, Marana Master, and I don't know.
That's why I wanted to clear well within December 31st.
I think going forward December after January also, they won't use that jargons of agile. Rather, they'll use a terminology called adaptive nature.
Okay.
How can you be adaptive in the market? That's a terminology they may use. Anyway, PMI, you can't judge anything until the question
Yeah.
comes out. You can't judge.
Nothing is comparable. Like questions are like, even though you cleared the prepcast, I mean, you cannot compare those questions with this.
Seriously, they are PMI is a Russia mafia gang. You can't. There be secret agent there. I don't know how they prepare the questions. It'll be
Yeah.
totally different level. There are people who practice a 10, 20 practice exams. 10 exams is 2000 questions. 20 means
Okay.
4000 questions.
Mhm.
After practicing 4,000 questions, they go to the exam. Still, you see the both and all.
Correct.
PMI is like that. That's why they call PMP standard is high. Cool. Good man. Thanks a lot for your time. I appreciate it and keep rocking, keep winning.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Bye.